Humans have been using this plant as both food and medicine since 7000 BC. It was literally the first cereal grain we ever grew. Fast forward to today, and it's quietly sitting in juice shops and health stores across America, labeled a superfood, while most people walk right past it. But inside those little green shoots is a stack of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants that can touch almost every system in your body. Stick around, because benefit number 7 is the one nobody sees coming. Here's the deal. Barley grass is the young shoot of the barley plant, harvested while it's still packed with nutrients, then dried and turned into powder. You'll also find it as juice, gummies, and tablets. Let's break down all 10 reasons people are adding it to their routine. Number 1, it promotes heart health. This is one of barley grass's biggest strengths. It contains 3 key compounds, saponin, tryptophan, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, that have been shown to help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. On top of that, studies suggest drinking barley grass extract can lower your bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It's also rich in antioxidants that support the cardiovascular system, and it helps prevent thrombosis. That's when blood clots block your vessels. Add in its high fiber content, which further helps ward off heart disease, and you've got a serious ally for the #1 killer in America. Number 2, it supports digestion and weight loss. Barley grass is low in calories but high in fiber, which is basically the perfect combo for anyone trying to manage their weight. That fiber promotes a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut and keeps you feeling full longer, so you're not reaching for a snack an hour after eating, and your total calorie intake naturally drops. It also has anti-inflammatory effects that help with gastrointestinal issues, and it works to flush out toxins built up in your digestive tract, which may even help protect against stomach cancer. Fuller, cleaner, lighter. Number 3, it helps control diabetes. If you're one of the millions of Americans watching their blood sugar, this one matters. Research shows the insoluble fiber in barley grass helps keep blood sugar levels stable and improves insulin sensitivity. It also contains flavonoids, which help regulate blood glucose levels in people with diabetes. Steadier blood sugar means steadier energy and fewer of those brutal afternoon crashes. Number 4, it offers protection against cancer. Barley grass brings a powerful lineup to the table. High alkalinity, antioxidants, chlorophyll, flavonoids, and phytochemicals. When all of those work together, they may help slow the development of cancer cells. In fact, the phytochemicals in barley grass have been linked specifically to fighting breast cancer, and it's shown anti-cancer properties through what researchers call anti-proliferative and cell-killing effects. And because it's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, it also shields your body from the free radical damage that sets the stage for disease in the first place. Number 5, it promotes bone health. Strong bones need more than just calcium. They need the right team of nutrients, and barley grass delivers. It's a good source of phosphorus, which actually helps your body absorb calcium in the first place. It also provides calcium and magnesium for strong bones and teeth, plus vitamin K, which helps control calcium levels in the body. That same calcium supports healthy nerve and muscle function. Regular use may help you avoid bone loss and offer relief from joint pain, arthritis, and osteoporosis, a big deal as we age. Number 6, it strengthens your immune system. Nobody has time to be sick. Barley grass is high in vitamin C, which supports healthy skin, eye health, collagen production, and wound healing. It's also rich in vitamin A for vision, bone growth, and cell development. But here's the standout. It has a high concentration of the superoxide dismutase enzyme, a unique antioxidant that helps neutralize oxygen-free radicals. Combine that with its high levels of beta-carotene and vitamin E, which help fight chronic diseases caused by oxidative stress, and your immune system has real backup. Number 7. It promotes brain health and better sleep. Here's the one that surprises people. Do you lie awake at night because of stress or a racing mind? Barley grass might actually help. Studies show it has antidepressant properties. It helps regulate nerve growth factor in the brain, an insulin-like protein that controls the growth and development of your neurons. Because it's so rich in vitamins and minerals, it's also been linked to memory-enhancing effects and can help with stress-related issues like depression. And that combination of GABA, calcium, potassium, and tryptophan, those are exactly the compounds that help promote deep, restful sleep, better mood, sharper memory, and real rest from a green powder. That's why number 7 catches everyone off guard. Number 8. It promotes healthy skin. Everyone's chasing that glow, and barley grass works from the inside out. Its superoxide dismutase enzymes help protect your skin against the damaging effects of UV radiation, while its high chlorophyll content offers protection against radioactivity. It also contains important compounds like vitamin B, iron, and phycocyanin, which help regenerate your cells and reduce visible signs of aging. On top of that, it supports your bone marrow and helps your body produce healthy white and red blood cells, so the glow you get is the real healthy kind. Number 9. It helps relieve ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is a long-term condition where the colon and rectum become inflamed, an inflammatory bowel disease that's common in people with immune system issues, and one that a lot of Americans quietly struggle with. Here's the good news. Barley grass may help. It has a stimulating effect on the gut-friendly bacteria in your system. It lowers the provocative chemicals that cause flare-ups in the bowel, and it helps balance the fluid in your bowel while flushing out accumulated toxins. For anyone dealing with chronic gut inflammation, that's a meaningful kind of relief. Number 10. It's good for your liver. Your liver is your body's filter, and barley grass helps keep it running clean. Studies show it contains a high amount of flavonoids, which have liver protective activity and antioxidant effects that guard against liver injury. It can also help lower blood uric acid levels, and its high chlorophyll content supports the liver's natural detox process. One important note here, if you already have a liver condition, please talk to your doctor before adding barley grass. That's just smart. Now, barley grass is generally safe, but I'm not going to pretend it's perfect for everyone. Because it's so high in fiber, taking too much can cause gas, bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, so moderation is key. If you have allergies to grass or cereal grains like wheat, rye, oat, or corn, you'll want to be cautious because it can trigger reactions. And even though barley grass is often called gluten-free, it may still contain some gluten protein, so if you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, it's best to avoid it or find a certified product. A couple more real talk points. Barley grass supplements aren't approved by the FDA the way medications are. Companies can sell them without proving they're safe or effective first, so only buy from a reputable brand. And because it's high in vitamin K and potassium, it can interact with blood-thinning medications, and people with kidney disease should watch their potassium intake. Bottom line, if you're on medication or managing a health condition, check with your doctor first. As for how much to take, the recommended daily intake is about 2 to 3 tablespoons mixed into water or juice. But if you're brand new to it, start with a small amount and slowly work your way up so your body can adjust. So there you have it. 10 incredible reasons this ancient superfood has stuck around for over 9,000 years. From your heart to your gut, your bones to your brain, barley grass is one of the simplest, most affordable upgrades you can make to your daily routine. If even one of these benefits spoke to you, give it an honest 30-day try and see how you feel. Now I'm curious, have you tried barley grass yet? Drop a comment and let me know.